2 महिने जाले सारखे रस्ते पणजेचे आमी सारखे हे पळोवंक शकता.
I just met the Honorable PWD Minister, Mr. Digambar Kamath now. Commissioner also was with me, and I just told him to look after as far as the roads are concerned. And he has promised me and assured me that the roads of Panjim will be taken up.
बट त्याची क्वालिटी सर कशें पळयता तुमी? कितें नाव एन देन पडते ते हॉट मिक्स करता मागीर पडती क्वालिटी तेजी हे आतां पावस पडलो की.
See, now Mr. Digambar Kamath is holding the position of a Minister for PWD, and I have got 100% guarantee that the roads of Panjim, as far as the Panjim roads are concerned, it will be back again to its original form.
दिगंबर बऱ्याच करतलो म्हणटा तुमी?
करतलो, सगळेच करतात आता, करतलोच. You don't simply create a this thing.
ह्याच्या पयलीं सीएमा कडेन असले न्हू ते.
Sir, good morning.
सर ह्याच्या पयलीं सीएमा कडेन असलो न्हू पोर्टफोलियो तो PWD?
See, listen to me. We want our works to be done. As I told you, I have already met the PWD minister, and PWD minister has promised me as far as the Panjim roads are concerned. Because Panjim is a capital city. All functions, everything happens in Panjim. So roads of Panjim should be in tip-top condition, and it will be done. That's the assurance. That is the assurance what I have got from the city. See, as far as the smart city is concerned, see, smart city has done certain roads. But other roads were supposed to be taken up by PWD.
So roads because Panjim is the capital city.
See, roads were done. No, you have seen the roads were done or not done.
But
work was going on. Quality of the road. See, as far as the contractors are concerned, and as far as the engineers are concerned, they will see that the quality of the roads are maintained.
And now smart city work has been completed, sir. So smart city work has been completed now, 100%. Apart from the road.
See, I have told you first also, there is a MD of as far as smart city is concerned. Go and inquire with the MD. He will tell you what is complete and what is not complete.